Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link Instagram on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Instagram and Squarespace, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking your Instagram account to your Squarespace site allows you to display your Instagram feed, create social media links, or enable social sharing. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the profile icon on the upper right corner, click on the account dashboard, and from here, select the site that you wanted to link your Instagram with. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this one. I'm going to click on it and wait for it to load. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to do it. Number one is you might want to go here in the gear icon that says settings. If you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. I want you to click on the third-party tools. You see, you can simply click on the connected accounts, connect and manage social accounts and other third-party services. I want you to click on it, and from here, click on the connect account. You have all of these options. You can choose Facebook, search Google, and of course, we're looking for the Instagram. Now, from here, you will see a notification window that says, I have previously connected my Squarespace to my Instagram account. If you do have, all I've got to do again is click on allow. As you can see it from here, I have already enabled the accounts. And from here, I can display my feed on the website and reinforce my brand's aesthetic. This helps maintain a cohesive look and feel between my website and of course my social media presence, which is going to be on Instagram. This is very useful for photographers, graphics designers, or creative professional embedding the Instagram feed to showcase the latest work directly on your Squarespace website. All right. So another option that we could explore is going again to the website. I'm going to click on X here, go into the pages, for example, this. I'm going to click on edit. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to click on the add block. You see, there's a lot that you can work with, and that's going to be clicking on the social links. Wait for it to load. Now, the social link right here is going to be your Squarespace. All right, so you have the Facebook, the Twitter or X, and the Instagram. All you have to do is click on that, put in the profile link of your Instagram here, and you're good to go. Or if you wanted to add another social link, you are welcome to do that. Click on edit, and of course, click on save. Another option that you can do is go to the ad block and go to the code if you wanted. By adding a code, you can embed the code here. You see that? Add a block. Choose the code block, and that's going to be your Instagram feed. Paste the Instagram embed code in the code block. Click apply, and of course, click on save or publish the page. By following these steps, you can integrate Instagram into your Squarespace website in various ways, enhancing your website's visual appeal and helping to grow your social media presence. All right. And of course, you can also always check the responsiveness of the Instagram in your Squarespace by checking on the desktop version and the mobile view. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.